Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So to do that, let's head over to our Messenger. But you can't just download any info in Messenger. So you have to go to your Facebook. Make sure it is the account that is logged in as a Messenger. So you have to go to the three lines on the top right. Now go to the settings on the top. And in here, you have to go to this account center. Now here you will find your information and permissions. Now go to export your information. Now tap on create export. Now select your Facebook account. Now select in which device you want to export. So I'm selecting to export to device. And here check for the date range, criteria, media quality and all, and just tap on start export. Once the export is done, you have to open up the HTML format, and then you will find the message history of your Messenger, and from there you can get your deleted messages of your Messenger. So yeah, hopefully it will work for you, and let us know in the comment section how it went, and we hope to see you in the next video.